Welcome to my CX video. Tutorial 2. The Video Template Sequence Editor. I have selected this Tattoo Studio Customer Experience Video, as it contains a varied selection of content and effects. Watching the 45 seconds video, we see the text, "Hi Alexander," fades in and out, over a background image. There are more text and images. See how the artwork spins up from the bottom. Notice how the camera zooms in on an image of a hand with mobile phone. The phone screen has another image on it, and 2 lines of personalized text. This template contains personalized experience video clips. It ends with call to action and contact information. I will show you how this is set up along with video clips and audio. The template editor is opened in the CXC Studio. Click here. The current template and content will be loaded. You can access other studio tools from the top menu. The template title is top left with the dope sheet file name. The template title may be used in email and SMS messages. It also appears on the Video Generator app for selection. Typically, the file name will be the campaign ID and template ID. Campaign templates may be opened and saved or a new blank template created. Different campaigns may be selected here. When saving a template to a different campaign, you will need to ensure the destination campaign has content files required by the template. Resize the content and preview area by dragging the section divider down. The selected edit strip content is shown on the left. Video edit strips are purple. Audio strips are green. And studio camera strips are brown. These contain the text and image objects being filmed. The frame preview displays the current frame still image. The render view will play the full video. The timeline will move across the edit strips, with the current frame number displayed to the left. The same content libraries that appear in the dope sheet editor are also available on the right, along with your private campaign library. Moving the mouse over the timeline area will display the mouse frame number position on the left. The edit strip length determines the duration of a video clip or audio segment. There may be up to 12 camera strips. Each camera has a location in the virtual studio. The camera X, Y, and Z position is shown when you hover over it. The frame preview shows the text and image objects that are positioned in front of the camera for the current frame. Template content on the left is replaced with new library content. For images, search, select, and crop the image. Multiple images may be added to create a selection list of preloaded content. This selection is available from the app. Perhaps to choose an artist's profile photo instead. Your own images can also be uploaded, and then cropped by clicking the image in the content area on the left. Repositioning the timeline will cause the frame preview to be refreshed. Text objects require a font file to be selected or uploaded along with a default text value. The text object named first name is also used for the audio greeting. Notice the text is not currently displayed in frame 1. This is because keyframe values are set. A keyframe value specifies a key setting for a specific frame. For this text, the alpha key, or transparency value, has been set to make the text appear only for certain frames of the video. The text will fade in from frame 5 to frame 10, then fade out from frame 70 to 75. Above each content object there are icons for upload, crop, move, keyframes, color picker, settings, and delete. The clipboard icon will store that object's settings, to be easily used when adding a new object. Default text values should be long, as the default length defines the space on screen for the text to fit. Short text names like this should be avoided. Selecting a different font may also change the font size a little. The color picker will also accept RGB values. You can cut and paste these to other text objects. Click the cog icon to open the object settings. In here you will find location scale and rotation values. These will get overridden when keyframes are set for animation effects. I will increase the text scale values for X, Y, and Z. Selecting a video clip edit strip will display the video on the left. Upload your own branded and product placement videos for static clips. Search and select from the libraries for placeholder dynamic content. The video trim may be used to set the start position of the selected video. Skip forward to your desired position. The video will be cropped to fit the playout dimensions, and the length trimmed from the start point for the required duration. It is then re-encoded to match your template's frame rate, typically 25 frames per second. This all takes just a moment. Audio volume keyframes are set to fade the background music in and out. To complete this tutorial, play and pause the video. Then locate and review the edit strip and content settings. Open the keyframe settings to see how the effects are created. Hi Alexander. The artwork text has keys set for location, scale, rotation and the material alpha value, causing it to appear, move up, get larger, and rotate on all of its axis. Camera keyframes can also be set using the focus button far left, effectively moving the camera forward to create this zoom in effect. The camera, video and audio buttons add new edit strips. Edit strips can be selected and strip settings edited. Before you develop your own templates, it is worth spending some time becoming familiar with an existing template. Like this one. Then click New to start fresh. Get creative and delight your customers and viewers with the power of personalized video messaging. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the audio recording and AI voiceover studio tutorial, or the one on bulk mailing list processing, and send all your customers personalized videos. Make it personal with my CX video, because everyone is different.